What's up? It's Joe with OCDetailing, and for the first time ever, Toyota made a Prius that doesn't look... All the words I'm going to say should be bleeped out and not repeated online. But anyways, the Prius actually looks good now. I was actually so excited by the way this car looks that for a while now I've been trying to think about a car to get for my dad for his birthday, which is coming up next month. And a couple things about my dad. I love him very much. You know, he's a really great guy, but he's also very frugal. So he doesn't like to spend a lot of money on stuff like gas and charging cars. So I really thought about getting him a Tesla, and I really thought about getting him like something nicer than that, maybe like a sports car. And then in my head, I was like, he's not gonna drive home. So right now he's currently driving a 20-year-old Prius that he loves, and he tells me that the car's fine. Why would he ever need a new one? So I thought, well, this new Prius actually looks cool, so let's get him a new Prius. And then, of course, I had to do my thing with it and make it even cooler. So we went through this whole car. We did a full paint correction on it. Actually, when I picked it up at the dealership, they were like, would you like it to wash it for you? And I was like, no, you don't need to scratch it for me. And they're like, no, it's okay. We need to do that as part of our PDI. And I'm like, okay, go ahead. And the car's black, so when they brought it back around, I looked at it and I was kind of mortified because they literally, all they did was scratch the car. So well, that's okay, I knew a place to fix it. So we brought it over, we did our full paint correction on it. I was really going back and forth on what I should do with this one to make it kind of unique for my dad and still not like over the top where he wouldn't drive it. Because I like my cars to look like Skittles, but my dad has very different tastes than me. He's a little more subdued. Since this is going to be my dad's car, and we've been playing with a lot of different, there's some new technology coming out and some different film manufacturers. I figured this would be a perfect car to test some new film. So we have Ivios Crystal Matte PPF on this. This is actually a first time using it, aside from some little tests we saw that were very, very promising. So I get to put it on my dad's car, who won't take the best care of it, or maybe he will because it's a new car. And get to see how it holds up. Along with that, we did some Steck carbon fiber around the car. We did 3M crystalline window tint. This thing's gonna be ready to roll, and my dad's gonna be super surprised when he sees it. I just hope he likes it.
Oh, wow.
Can you see it?
No.
What are you looking at?
This one. Wow, it's a Porsche. I thought that was a Prius. Don't tell me that. Did you do that joke? Oh, wow. Ready for the Porsche. Oh, my God. Wow.
It's a little bit early, but happy birthday to you.
Thanks. Wow, Joe.
Does it look pretty cool?
Listen, I can't believe you put the Porsche.
Hey, so check this out. That Porsche emblem is actually from a 911 Carrera T. So it's a lightweight Porsche emblem. I ordered it for a customer's car, and then the customer wrecked their car. So that's a graphite Porsche logo. It's kind of rare. It's because it's, I think it's 3/4 of an ounce lighter than a normal Porsche badge. It was a $300 badge.
Oh my God. Wow. So the only way you know it's a Toyota if you look at the tires, right?
Pretty much. What do you think, Dad? Do you like it?
Great, Joe. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, son.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, really, I don't know what to tell you. Wow.
You're okay with the matte black? It's not too gangster?
Yeah, definitely. Wow.
Looks different, huh?
Definitely look different.
Cool, Dad.